Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the pound yen has been drifting down pretty nicely ever since market open. Now, for me personally, as a trader that trades above the 1 hour, I am definitely still primarily looking for longs only because all the higher roadmap time frames are definitely still up. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last move. If we get a Fibonacci bounce at any one of these levels, a nice engulfing move to the upside, I am definitely going to take it as a long. Now, on the other hand, if it does decide to break below here, and hold below there, then I definitely will start looking for shorts. If you go up to the daily time frame, I still have this marked as a potential wave B. And if this does close down engulfing today, or the 1 hour time frame closes down and breaks structure, then I definitely will start looking for shorts. But until that happens, I have no idea that this may not just keep on going up and up and up and up. So that means on the shorter time frames, I am definitely going to continue to look for longs at Fibonacci levels. Look for nice engulfing moves up at Fib levels for potential long opportunities. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.